I want you to take a look at this video. After the video, I'll catch you up.
And your body? I shaved yesterday. I look rough.
Yeah. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm looking good, eh?
Yeah, who is this young lady now?
This is Love It, my side chick I've been telling you about.
Okay. Good afternoon, man. Afternoon, dear.
Love It. Meet my lovely wife.
Okay. It's nice to meet you, man.
Yeah.
It is really nice to really meet you.
See this my side chick?
Yes.
She's very sweet.
Really?
Yeah.
I can see you like good things.
Of course, you know your husband now.
Look at the color. Look at how she's shining.
Not like your own that is black.
See me now, I'm dark. I'm looking bad.
Not at all.
Thank you. My dear, you're beautiful. There's nothing wrong with side chic, oh dear. You know that even the work is too much for me. At least when I'm taking care of the kids, she will be there to be taking care of you.
Of course.
When I'm not available in the bed, she will be there.
See, some people see side chic as one of the most dangerous things on earth. It's nothing. Side chic normally help the family. See, without side chic, marriage will not grow.
It relieves stress.
You see now?
Mind asking for her number so that
what is there?
You guys are co-mates. You
can put your number here.
So, Love It, please respect my wife. You see, I got married to her. I put a ring on her finger. You can see it. And you know I'm not going to marry you.
I know.
Like just having fun. Just for to while away. So respect my wife, please.
Don't have stress.
And baby, please make sure you respect my side chick.
I will.
You understand? If you do anything wrong that is not suit your status, you report that. You report that to me.
No problem. She will not do anything that will annoy me, and I will not do anything that will annoy her.
You see?
Now you've watched the video, right? From everything you've seen, it looks like a joke, like it's a comedy, you know, and they're trying to entertain you, the viewers, making content, okay? But that actually happens. It happens in the West. You could be in open relationship. Your man knows you have other boyfriend, he's cool with it. Your woman knows you have other girlfriends, side chicks, whatever, you know, you're cool with it, you know. They call it so many names. Before I go on, it is this same West that sold the idea to us, to you, that polygamy is evil, it's bad, it's this, it's that. However, today, they practice polygamy worse than Africa actually practices polygamy. Africa has one of the best way and manner in which they practice polygamy. But the West today practice monogamy in its worst form. Like I just told you before, people will just agree that you can have, in marriage, not even boyfriend and girlfriend. Yeah, we agree that they could have casual sex outside and all that. I won't even say that is polygamy. That one is not madness. Because in the way naturally polygamy is practiced, you won't even agree for such kind of arrangement. But you see what they do. They do it now in the West. The so-called Oyibo, they do it. In the West now, the so-called Oyibos, you would, if you bring 100 people, at least you see that 60 of them, they are either in their second marriage or third marriage, some fourth marriage. They marry and divorce at will. Marriage no be problem for them. They just go marry. This person don't do me. They divorce. Now it happens in the West. Is that not polygamy in its worst form? It's like sports where one player is playing in a particular sport and that player is done. You come inside, you go outside. That's what they do. Red card. They give themselves a red card. These are the same people that sold this idea of polygamy to us. That polygamy is bad. They were the ones that sold the idea that polygamy is bad. But today they practice not polygamy. They practice madness that looks like polygamy in its worst form. Am I encouraging polygamy? No. Am I discouraging it? No. Everybody what works for you, do it. If you're a man and you can cater for the problems that come with polygamy, the whole jealousy, the bitterness and all that, now you sabi. We still have families, nuclear families, tiny families. Most of us come from such. It's not polygamy. They still fight. Bitterness, rancor everywhere. Most of the problem you complain in polygamy, it's in nuclear homes. However, we know that polygamy there is that much propensity to have those issues and all that. I totally agree. But the point I'm making today is, you see these things they force down on us. You you want to talk nowadays, Gen Z and everybody, oh, this in the West, they just man, one woman, romantic, this and that. It's a lie. Everything they demonize about your culture, everything they demonize about your way of life, they do worst in different ways. That's the West. So I think it's high time we begin to see how the different ways the thief comes into the house. Because most times we are carried away, we're always expecting the thief to come through the window. But most times the thief comes through the door, and the thief here is the West. They demonize some of your practices that today they wish they have. They demonize some of your practices that was yours and you could manage it. Then they start practicing it in another way. They start practicing it in another form, and they bastardize it, they demonize it. And yet our young people always point to them as the arbiters of knowledge, the arbiters of everything that is good. We demonize our own. Once more, if polygamy works for you, fine. If it doesn't work for you, do what suits you. But enough of this slavery mentality. These people, the West, practice polygamy in its worst form, in its demonic form. Wake up from that slavery mentality. Think, use your head.